Greetings to the whole world again. It's Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of my life programming. Again, in case you didn't know, the approach is I'll be solving problems for you guys. Hopefully, you'll be grasping how things are done along the way. Okay, I've already given you guys the first solution. Okay, the solution on the first exercise. Right now I'm about to take care of the second one. Okay, I wanna print a box like the one below. Okay, like that one there. Okay, so I'll simply go. If you did check out my previous tutorial, you probably already know what is required of you, and if you don't, no worries, I'm gonna take care of it for you. Just so you know, you guys, I strongly recommend that you make sure that not only do you watch me do these tutorials, but you also want to make sure that you do give it a try yourself, but not these exercises, the ones I'm working on. Try other exercises. There are a ton of exercises you can get online. Okay, make sure that you try them on your own. That way you will learn. Okay, as opposed to only watching me solving problems. Can I show you then? Won't do you any good at all. Okay, now that I've taken care of that, let's display that box. So let me count. There are 19 stars. So it's gonna be as simple as going print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Really? I'll then go 1 and then I'll leave how many spaces? 1. Let's just go 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18, and then I put another one there. I simply close the single quotes. I want to do this twice, and then finally I want to copy exactly what I have up there, then put it at the bottom. Okay, now let's hit the run button and see what we get. As you guys can see, we're getting precisely what is required of us. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. But I also got another solution on this exercise, a different way of solving the very same exercise. So stay tuned, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone.